Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I already discussed about that edit options. Like if you click on the edit, then it should be redirected to the edit with a specific some of the ID. And here you can see it's now showing as a specific ID in first name, the last name, the email address, and the phone number. So right now in this video, I will show you how you can update all the data. For doing this, I already created one of the route for this one. Like if you go here, there is a route as an update, and also you should be updated with one of the ID. And here in your student controller, there is our update method. So this is the update method I have to create. And also in our edit page here, if you go to that positions, like I already added that route as update with the ID. Okay, so here are you defining as a first of all there is an update method, and after that there is actually the ID. For the reasons here I also assign as an update, and after that update there is the ID. So this ID means if you go to our database table, so that is actually the ID, right? I hope you can well understand about it. And update means what? Update means you will be insert that data again. So for that inserting the data, I already created one of the method in our student controller as a this one that is actually store. So it will be the just like that same. And here only the difference you will be insert the data with the ID. That means the specific some of the ID, right? So now first of all I want to create our update method. Like here I just define as a public and then function, and our method is update. Okay, I just defined that our update method. So here there is our update. And as I told you, when you insert it, like before, I just defining as a request and the request. So for now, I just copy it, and here I just defining as a request with that request. And also, if you go to our route here, you can see there is an update, and after that update, you have to also assign the ID. So for now, I want to take another parameter on particular that position, like here, in particular that area, I just defining one of the ID. So here I just defining the ID, and rest of this will be the just like same. Here I also before insert I also want to validate it, all that field will be required, and then all that our student model, and then field and save the data. Okay, it's pretty much the same things. I just copy whole things from here. I just copy whole things from to this position, and now in our update method I just simply paste it. Okay, so I just simply paste it on particular that area. So it should be the same. Like here, first of all, you will be get that validation, and then you will be save the data. Only the difference is here I just defining one of the ID. So now I want to update a specific some of the ID. So for the reasons here I want to do in our student model, here I assign as a find. Okay, find with our this ID. So here I just simply add that ID on particular that position. I hope you can well understand about it, and rest of will be the same. That is our this is student. Here there is a first name, and there is a request the first name, and then after that he'll be saved. And when it should be saved, I just redirected to the home page. Okay, so you should be redirected to our home page. That means our welcome page with some of the message. So here when it should be updated, then I want to display some of the message as a student successfully updated. Okay, so here I just defining that updated, and this the message will be redirected to our home. As I told you, I already displayed that one of the message. Here you can see that it is success message, and here it's also showing as a alert success. So perfect, it should be now work. I hope you can well understand about it. He will be updated with a specific some of the ID. Now let's check this out. I just click on the save all, and now if you go here, I just refresh it. Like here, go to the home, and now I want to update as a Kazi. Like here I just want to update that one John, because the edit I just define as a 1 1, and I just defining as a John 1. I just defining as a 1 1 number. For education purpose I'm using it. Now click on the add data. Yes, now you can see it's now showing as a student successfully updated. And also our first name is now updated, the last name is updated, email address updated, and phone number also updated. So we successfully updated our that data, and if you go to our database and if you click on the browse again, now you see it's also updated on particular that position. I hope you can well understand about it. And also if you want to update like Jack, like I just click on the edit. Better there is actually our edit page. I just want to make that button name as an update. I go to our edit page, and here there is a add data, so I just define as an update. Okay, I just define button name as an update. Now click on the save all, refresh that page. Yeah, now you can see it's update. So I just define only the Jack one and Ma one and click on the update. Yeah, student successfully updated Jack one and the Ma one. I hope you can well understand about it, how can update your field data. In our next video, I will discuss about the delete options. Like if you want to delete it, then how can delete it? In our next video, I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.